Hi guys and girls, my name is Dan and today I'm gonna show you how you can change the foam earpads on your Sony MDR XB650BT. Let's start. First of all, you must peel the old foam rings. The easiest way that I figured out you can do it is stick your finger inside it and gently pry it loose. And we're gonna do the same thing with this one. So I'm gonna do that now. The next thing that you want to do is clean out the old adhesive, because when you're gonna stick the new ear pad, you want to make sure that it makes good adhesion to the surface, to this plastic surface. Then use some or I'll see which one works best. Yes. It stick to my hand. Come on. Much better. Now, I said that you shouldn't throw your foam pads, the old foam pads, right away, because inside of them you will find this plastic ring that you need to insert in your new foam ear pads. The easiest way that I found of doing so is like this. Gently pry it open and try to stick your finger inside this ridge and pull this plastic insert out from the new pad, because I suppose this is just a placeholder in order for the ear cup to maintain its shape. So that failed miserably. Basically you cannot fit this ring inside of the cup in this space, because you risk to damage it. So what I did, I cut this ring in half, and as you can see here, I've sanded down the edge, this sharp edge, so when I will insert it, it will not damage the ear cup. And I'm planning to insert it just like this, and let's hope it will roll itself in. Now what I'm doing, I'm rotating it, pressing on the edge and gently trying to make it fit in place without damaging this part. Just like this. It's like success. Now I'm gonna do that with the next ear cup. Don't need to sand it much, just a tiny bit, so it doesn't feel sharp at this end. And note that you must place it like this in the foam ear cup. Now that you've placed the plastic ring inside, make sure that those two sides that you just cut are somewhat aligned, so they don't overlap, because if they do overlap, the foam ring cup thingy won't stick properly. Now all you have to do is peel back this adhesive and stick our cups on and applying a tiny bit of pressure. I think that's about right. Now the next cup. And voila! New ear cups. Leave a video like if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and also if you achieve this in a different way, leave a comment below. Until the next time, make sure to clean your headphones regularly. Mine are a little bit dirty.